Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video. Welcome back to part of my backyard. And I wanted to address something that I keep getting asked. People want me to talk about Dr. Cassar's skin cleaning solution, if I'm a fan of it, if I use it, etc. And the simple answer is yes, absolutely. I think that's one of the most profound changes that you can make in your health immediately, is to start cleaning your skin properly. And a lot of people have never actually experienced this type of cleaning that you're going to experience if you use Dr. Cassar's skin cleaning solution. It is remarkable how much crap you can actually get off your skin. When you go in the shower and you use soap, ladies and gentlemen, that's not going to clean you the way that you need to be cleaned. There's all sorts of brake dust and heavy metals in the air from the aerosol spraying, the barium, aluminum, strontium, mylar fibers, chaff, you name it. There's all sorts of crap in the air, in the houses that we live in, you name it. And that stuff gets stuck on your skin. And I'm sorry, and I hate to tell you, but simple soap is not going to get that off. You need something that acts more like a stripper. And his skin cleaning solution is just that. So right now I use it. I've been using it for years. Kudos to Dr. Cassar for inventing that. I do view that as an invention. I've known people who have used it and had great results, myself included, and I know some people who have had just their life changed from doing something as simple as cleaning their skin. I know mine did. And you're just going to be able, ladies and gentlemen, to absorb more light. Your skin's going to feel better over time by using this. It's going to regenerate your tissue, and it has a twofold, almost double directional quality to it. So on one hand, you're cleaning your skin and you're getting all the debris off, and you'd be surprised at what comes off people's skin if you do this cleaning protocol properly. So it cleans, while at the same time it nourishes, because it's got the magnesium in it, and the MSM, and the sodium bicarbonate, and the salt, the diatomaceous earth. It cleans while at the same time nutrifying. So your skin's going to feel so much softer and so much more pliable once you start using this. It is amazing. You're going to notice that you don't burn as readily and quickly out in the sun if you clean your skin properly, ladies and gentlemen. And just to dovetail this in really quickly, you should increase your magnesium level about 45 minutes before your magnesium levels, about 45 minutes before you go out in the sun. If you increase your magnesium, you're going to get much more out of your sunbathing experiences, because there are certain mechanisms in the physiology that require an adequate level of magnesium for you to be able to utilize UV light and turn it into vitamin, also known as hormone D. But that's besides the point. There's magnesium in his skin cleaning solution, but I do recommend taking an oral magnesium. That's just me. That's just how I do things. But yeah, it's got a double directional quality to it. It cleans and it nourishes, which is awesome. There's also silica in it. I personally, right now, I'm using a modified version where the only thing I have in it is the triple distilled vodka, the magnesium, the liquid brine magnesium, the sole salt, and the sodium bicarbonate. And I've got some diatomaceous earth on the way. It'll be here in a couple of days. So I've used it. I've made the recipe over the years exactly how he's laid it out. And I do believe that you should try to buy everything that he recommends and make it with the MSM and the living silica, etc. But for some people, you know, that can be kind of costly. And although I do recommend that you invest in all those constituents, I think that it's best to just get started, even if you don't have them all. But I would suggest highly at least putting the baking soda, the baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, the sole salt, and the magnesium in it, and preferably some silica, so that the alcohol is not as dry. I believe Dr. Cassar refers to it as lubricating the alcohol. Because alcohol, if you don't add these constituents, it will dry your skin out. I've done the experiments. I've tried cleaning my skin with just plain old vodka, and it just doesn't work. You know, your skin will not feel soft and pliable, and the elasticity of your skin won't feel just won't feel good. But if you follow his recipe, I mean, it's an awesome recipe, you guys. This is one thing that everyone needs to do immediately, in my opinion. There's a good chance you have multiple layers of critters and all sorts of crap all over your skin. And your skin is like a solar panel, folks. And right now, most people's skin, it's like dirty windows. The light can't pass through. But if you clean those windows, scrub all the crap off, the light starts shining through. And you're gonna feel a lot better when your skin's clean. So this particular practice, based on my own experiences with it, and I've been doing it for years, increases your vitality. You feel more vital, you feel stronger. And you know, to deny the fact that the skin needs to be thoroughly cleaned is foolish. You know, all these Neutrogena products and all this crap at the market, at the supermarket, on the shelves, these skin cleaning solutions, go ahead and grab one of those off the shelf and take a good look at the ingredients. There's probably going to be multiple ingredients on that label that you don't even know how to pronounce. You don't know where they came from, how they were made, how they were synthesized, who made them, why they're in there, you name it. So why the hell are you putting that crap on your skin? There is so much garbage in cosmetics, ladies and gentlemen, in skincare products and lotions and shampoos. It is incredible. These are all New World Order Trojan horse weapon systems sold under the guise as healthcare products, as beauty products. It's ridiculous. And I'm not saying that there aren't some decent products on the market that you can find at most supermarkets, because there are a few. But for the most part, ladies and gentlemen, it is absolute garbage. It is an embarrassment. To a large extent, we are sick as a nation, as a collective, because we depend on the system to care for us. And it's just ridiculous. And the products that the system produces, more often than not, they're like industrial waste products that are, you know, instead of them getting rid of the industrial waste, they recycle it through like turning it into products that we use or eat or put on our skin, you name it. That's what it strongly appears to be. So Dr. Cassar's skin cleaning solution, I put a link in the description box below to his recipe. He's got a few different videos on this, and it appears that it's been a while since I've gone back and watched his original videos on the skin cleaning solution, but this dude's been doing this for a long time. The recipe has changed a few times. If my memory serves me well, I've always just followed the most recent one. But very interesting, man. Very interesting YouTube channel, Earther Academy. Very grateful for the work Dr. Cassar has done. He's really been responsible for just igniting a lot of people to start taking better care of their health. So definitely go give him some likes and some views. It's been really awesome watching his channel grow over the years. I've been watching him since the original videos that he put out, with the workshops that he used to do, where there was the background with the books. The video where he was holding the Southern Pacific rattlesnake. All those older videos, I used to watch those just on a repeat pretty much. So I've taken a lot of his principles and adopted them and integrated them into my own system, and I've got to give credit where it's due. And the 6 liquids of vitality, the skin cleaning solution, ladies and gentlemen, the iodine therapy. There's been a lot of things that I've learned from him that I'm very grateful for. So the 6 liquids of vitality, I have a video here on my channel where I talk about them. What an awesome set of liquids. But anyways, you guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. Clean your damned skin. I remember when I first got all the ingredients together, or not all of them, but as many as I could at the time. I remember when I threw that potion together for the skin cleaning solution and cleaned my skin. I remember cleaning my forehead and just scrubbing relatively hard and just being amazed at what came off. So you can use rags to do this, ladies and gentlemen. I recommend using white. Ideally, you're going to use like old white cotton t-shirts so that you can see what comes off of you. But what I've found, you guys, is that using not cotton balls, but the cotton pads that are circular or square. Those are really good for using so that you can see what comes off of your skin. You're probably not going to notice as much as if you use like, I never recommend using like a paper towel or anything like that. The cotton 100%, or you can get 100% organic cotton squares or circles for cleaning your skin online. You can even find them at some supermarkets nowadays. And you can really get those wet with the alcohol and really push on your skin, and you'd be surprised at what comes off of your face and, you know, right here on your arm where it articulates, or on your wrists. And that's the other thing. If you're using transdermal iodine or magnesium, oftentimes people will put it on their skin, on their wrists. Clean your wrists off with the skin cleaning solution. Get all that crap off your skin and let all the remaining alcohol evaporate off your skin, and then do the iodine or the magnesium. You're going to get about 10,000-fold better results by doing that. But anyways, I'm going to wrap this one up. I give that particular potion a 10 out of 10. It is an amazing invention. I think I've even heard him refer to it as an invention, and it definitely is. I mean, that man's skin looks incredible for how, I don't want to call him old, because aging is kind of just a program of sorts. I'm not going to get into that in this video, but his skin looks incredible for his age, and he appears to be quite vital. So I'm going to wrap this one up, you guys. Peace be with you.